Your subconscious mind is far more powerful than AI, than ChatGPT, than any other invention that will come out. When you learn how to use the right prompt to activate your subconscious mind, to make it work for you, it will always outwork any AI. I see a lot of people, a lot of clients that are scared of all the changes and all the AI, all the tools that are coming out, and they feel like, oh my God, everything's changing so fast. How are we gonna be relevant and what's gonna be happening? So it creates a lot of anxiety in the future because the world is about to change. You know, whether we like it or not, AI is just in the morning of day one. And so a lot of transformation are gonna come in the 3D in society as a result of all those tools and technology that are phenomenal. And none of us can predict the phenomenal changes that will impact us and how it will impact us. But the certainty is that it's here, it's coming, and it's going to only accelerate. But never feel like because there's AI, because there's all those things, because it's threatening your job or your industry or all these kind of things, never make it feel like you are a victim, that you are powerless, that you cannot rival with AI, that is going to replace you, that you are inferior to those technology. Because the moment you accept those ideas, those beliefs, those perceptions, you start to create this victim mentality, this victim weak self-concept. And your power goes away, right? Because here's the thing, what you're really doing, the moment you're creating this perspective that AI is faster and smarter and is gonna take over your job and whatever the scarcity might be related to those technology, if you start to see that it's going to make you irrelevant, it's going to replace you, it's going to be better than you, you start to tell your subconscious mind. So what you're really doing essentially is that you're giving your subconscious mind a prompt. Make AI better, smarter, and more efficient than me. Make AI replace me. It sounds stupid and silly, but that's exactly what you're doing because your subconscious mind works a little bit like this AI ChatGPT. Instead of having it give you an answer when you type in something, it takes it in. And then just like a 3D printer, it manifests that in your reality. So you see, it's not that AI is going to make you irrelevant, it's that you yourself are going to make yourself irrelevant with that kind of beliefs, attitude, and mindset. So we have created somebody's subconscious mind. A lot of people's subconscious mind have worked to create this phenomenal technology that is available to us, whether it's a washing machine, whether it's ChatGPT, whether it's any other form of technology that we enjoy, that we use. Whether it's to do good thing or bad thing is irrelevant. It's somebody's creativity and somebody's subconscious mind came up with the idea, with the resources, with the connection, with everything that was needed to bring to life all those phenomenal things that we have achieved as a society and as a race. And it's pretty cool. And the reason why I go into this is because this all started because of that creative power that every single one of us has. And that creative power is lying dormant in your subconscious mind. And what we really need to master is not necessarily AI or ChatGPT and how to prompt AI. Yes, that will help you in amazing ways. But the most important one will be to how do I prompt my mind, my subconscious mind, to create the life that I want consistently, no matter what is outside of me, no matter what's happening in the economy, no matter what new technology is coming, no matter what's coming. How do I prompt my subconscious mind so that I always come out on top? I always come out better, greater, richer, healthier, whatever. So your perception about the world, the 3D, AI, ChatGPT, and so on, is what is going to predominate how you interact with those technology and how you come out and how it's impacting you. Because even if that technology completely wipe out your industry, and it will. It's going to, wipe out complete jobs, but it's also going to create a lot of new opportunities. But if you realize that the true source of your power, that the true source of your prosperity, of your abundance, of your creativity, of your opportunity is not outside of you, but it's inside of you, that you are the one that generate, that create, that draw to yourself experiences, opportunity, abundance, and that you yourself can create your own economy for that matter. You can create your own industry. You can find infinite amount of ways to generate money, to be of service, to do something that you like, no matter what's happening around you. If you truly start to believe that and you start to tell your subconscious mind that prompt, you start to give it that form of information, you start to insert the data in your subconscious mind, the subconscious mind will respond to that data, because the subconscious mind works really much like AI. What is ChatGPT? It's nothing more than data that has been given to that AI that it just uses and come out and package for us in amazing ways. But your subconscious mind can do that and more if you simply prompt it, if you simply give it the right data, if you consistently impress new information on your subconscious mind and prompt it in the right way to create the outcome that you want, it will create phenomenal things. And it's already doing that in your life right now. All you need is the awareness that you are a powerful creator, the belief that you are a powerful creator, and the certainty and the application that you can trust that power, you know how to apply it, and you're gonna put it to work. Just like you use any form of outside technology, you have to start using your own powerful inner technology, the inner technology that has brought everything that we see around us. So all of this is available to us if we can prompt ourselves, if we can believe in ourselves, if we can believe in the ideas, if we can believe that it's possible, then it will become true. And that is the power of your subconscious mind. And on this channel, there's a lot of videos, a lot of resources that tells you exactly how to reprogram your subconscious mind, how to let go of negative habits and emotions and attitude and self-concept that are creating and prompting your mind to create situations and patterns and results that you may not like anymore in your life. But you gotta take responsibility and notice that everything you see outside of you is really powerless until you make it powerful to affect you, to being like, oh my God, this is bigger than me. You know, it's this whole story of the giant and the grasshopper. If you keep seeing yourself as a grasshopper, powerless and weak, and AI and ChatGPT and all this kind of technology as giant that are powerful and that you can do nothing against, you will actualize that and you will make it a living prophecy, and you're going to start feeling sorry for yourself, and life will give you experiences to continue to feel sorry for yourself, and you will become irrelevant because you made yourself irrelevant through your thinking, through your attitude, and through your self-concept. So the greatest things you can do is, yes, to be interested and notice that AI is going to serve you. AI is going to make you better. AI is going to bring you more money. AI is going to make your life better. That is the attitude. That is how you have to see it. Whether it's money, money serves you. Money needs you. Money is coming into your life, but it's the same for AI. AI is a tool that we have at our disposal to make our life better. But you gotta have the right thinking, and you gotta prompt your mind first with the right data, with the right information, with the right prompt, so that you will generate the right answer, the right manifestation, idea, creation in your reality. So don't let change, don't let technology, don't let AI scare you. Make it a powerful ally, because you know that you are the master of your reality, and that your subconscious mind is everything that predominant, and that your subconscious mind is always going to be greater than anything around you. Let me know what you think in the comments down about ChatGPT, about your subconscious mind, how you can use your subconscious mind to make all this amazing technology work for you guys. And if you want to see more of these kind of videos, guys, like, share, and subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any videos. Be well. I'll see you next time.